Was that fun, Jake? Was that fun, buddy?
Almost tipped over.
Were you in the snow?
They're wet.
Does he like the snow?
You want to go again?
Luke,
Another?
Luke, wait right there for your dad.
Grandma's all full of straw.
Straw and snow. Shall we go again? Okay. Just go stand in line.
Say hi, Boompa. Watch where you're going. Jake, go see Grandma.